T off, control W, and T timer underscore off underscore 1, control W. So first introduce timer off. What is the timer off? So the timer off delay interaction work oppositely. It start the timer when input condition goes from true or false. The timer then count up until reach the preset value. In timer on, when timer is on, then start the preset value, but in timer off is totally different of timer on. When timer on bit on, then preset value. When timer on bit off, then true to false, then preset value has been start for counting. Timer count until it reach the preset value and then set the done bit to true. Timer stop counting when the input condition goes true. Reset and accumulator value to 0. So we will check our timer how to work. So take another rung and another rung. So also we have required one bit and one another bit and one another bit. One input timer TT, timer off, enable bit, and LED 1, LED 3, LED 4, and control W, copy paste. Timer on enable bit, timer off TT bit, and timer off done bit, and finalize the program, initialize and start. Here we when see accumulator value example 40 seconds, once, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So in initial condition timer off is off. In initial condition timer off bit is off. So click on right click, then toggle. We can observe very easily timer off enable bit is on because in timer off continuous supply, and timer done bit is on. It is totally opposite of timer off, timer on. In timer on, when complete the timing preset value to accumulator value, then timer on, then timer done bit is on. But in case of timer off, when start the supply of, when goes that supply of timer off, then initially enable bit and initially done bit is start. But in case of timer on, when on timer, then TT bit and timer off bit, TT bit and enable bit start of on. So only one difference, two difference when continuous supply goes from timer 1 to timer off, then timer off enable bit on, sorry, LED 5. So just so right click and off the supply of timer off. Click on toggle bit. We can see when timer of supply has been go, so timer timing bit is start. Also timer 1 minute, sorry, to timer. So again we observe when timer off, then LED number 4 is on, LED number 6 is on. When timer is off, toggle bit. Here we can see what is the condition of your cursor. See easily. So cursor on toggle. So here we can see toggle the bit value of the tag. So toggle and timer has been off. So start the counting accumulator to preset value. So on that time timer TT bit is on and done bit always on. When timer complete the timing bit, timer of preset value equal to accumulator value, on that time LED timer done bit is off, also timer timing bit on off. (32, 33, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40). So one more advantage of timer off. So timer off, we have not required to reset of timer.